crazy view.
Check it out.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, so I'm about to make this juice with some melon skin and some pomegranate and the melon skin. So I'm gonna add some ginger. Last time I make it I did just the melon skin alone with ginger and lime, but I'm gonna use this time some ginger instead of put the lime, because this thing here have a bit of sour taste to it. So, or maybe I will see what it tastes like after sweetening, then I maybe can just add some lime to it or lemon, whatever after. But it's ginger and the melon skin and the pomegranate. So this drink, I never tried this one before with the pomegranate, but I tried the melon skin with carrot. That one was fine. I tried the melon skin by itself. That was very nice. I finished the last bit yesterday. So not much ginger, because I don't want the ginger to overpower the thing. So I won't be putting too much ginger inside. Just that little piece there. Let me just cut there. And with the pomegranate, I'm not gonna put it inside the blender. I'm gonna put it inside the cheesecloth and just try extract the juice that way. I never done it before, so all of this is just me learning something new, just to see if it work or if it don't work. I never extract the juice like that before, and I never make pomegranate juice before. As I said, I do melon skin all the time. Melon skin with carrot, very nice. Or melon skin by itself, it tastes like cucumber drink. What I'm doing now is just put this melon skin inside the blender, inside the Ninja. And then I will be blending it with some water. Not too much water, because I know this thing is like 90% watermelon. So when you juice this, it's gonna turn out to be a lot of, yeah. I learned the hard way already. By putting too much water, then the thing start overflowing in the blender. So I got like 1 liter here, because this is a 2-liter bottle, and this is the bottle I will be putting it in to put it inside the fridge. So add some water, not too much water, as I said. Bring it right here, so. And for sweetness, I will be using honey. So I will be adding the honey from now. So once it blend, everything can mix together. I don't have to sweeten it again. Unless it not sweet to my taste, then I will add a little bit of honey to the bottle that I'm gonna put it into, and just give it a nice little shake up. So yes, let's begin the blending process. Blend, and then I will start off on I. I think that's good enough. Okay, as I was saying before, I never done this pomegranate juice drink before. This is my first time. I'm just trying something. If it work, it work. If it don't work, it don't work. But we are trying together. So that's the pomegranate seed. I'm gonna pour it inside this strainer bag. Yeah. Very good strainer bag. You get nothing out. Just pure juice. I will be getting a juicer very soon, but for now I'm just using what I have, which is a blender, a Ninja. Let me throw this inside the bag and try to extract this juice. As I said, I never done this before. This is my first time trying to extract the juice from pomegranate. I always eat it, but I never extract the juice like this before. This is my first time. So I don't want anyone to jump at me and say, yo, you're not doing it right, this, that. I never done it before. This is my first time. So I'm just gonna squeeze. I'm just going to squeeze. And as you can see, it's working like a charm. It's working like a charm. It feels so good to do this though. Like, it feels very pleasing. I guess I get everything already. I think I get all the juice already. Oh, juice still coming out, man. I'm still getting juice. These are what left of the pomegranate. I get all the juice out. No juice left. So that was very easy, getting out the juice. Right. So now I will be straining the melon skin that I blend earlier with the ginger and some honey. These bags are very, very effective. They're very good. Okay, you have full control over it. It's not like a strainer where you just can do so much with a strainer. With this one, once you pull these strings and shut the bag. Look at that. Shut the bag, then you can just get the full squeeze. Look at that. You can get the full squeeze. As I say, it's not like strainer where it's limited amount of pressure you can use with this strainer. You're not gonna extract all the juice, but with this, you can wring it. You can do anything you wanna do. And that's the melon skin with the ginger. Mix with some honey for sweetness. And as I said, when I taste this, I will see if I need to add some lemon or lime to it. I got both. I got lemon and I got lime. So I think I maybe put some lime inside. Yeah. So that's it. I finished getting out all that juice from the melon skin. Look at that. Wish juicer can juice like me. See that? I'll put it inside this. I'm a human juicer. That's the melon skin with the ginger. Look just like cucumber. No difference. Alright, so with this one now, I'm gonna test it to see what it tastes like. If I need to add more water to it, or if I need to add a bit more honey. Alright guys, so I need to add a bit more honey inside because I give it a little taste test off camera, and I think it needs a bit more honey inside. And look at the color of it. It have like a brown, you know, the melon and the pomegranate have that redness, and then the melon have that green kind of look, that light green. The two of them come together, it give it like a little, you know, it look like sugar cane, like cane juice. That's the kind of look, the color. Let me try it again and see how it is now. Yeah, that's bad, man. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. So first trial, that is nice. Let me put it inside this water bottle now. It looks just like cane juice. I heard that melon skin is very good though. for men. That's what I heard. That's what an old man said to me. That melon skin is very good. It's natural Viagra. No, that's why he said they use the white bit from the melon skin to make Viagra. That's what I said to me. So if any man with something when I work good, drink more melon skin. I don't know how true it is, but and that's not the reason for me to make this drink. I'm just saying that's what old man said to me. So I don't know. So that's it. Melon skin, pomegranate drink. And that's the look. That's how it look. It look just like cane juice. Let me give a quick try again and see what we're working with. I know when this go in the fridge and then and get cool, it's gonna be real nice. So let me have a taste. Cheers. Okay, so after tasting, see, I didn't finish. I just tasted a bit better than when I was doing the little sweetening with the spoon. So I just tasted it. So what I'm thinking, because I didn't use too much water inside, I need to add some more water. Yeah, it have that. Yeah, it's just, it half balance a bit. So I'm using some water to balance it the proper way. Yes, a bit half balance. Yeah, after tasting it just now, let's give it a good old shake. And then I will be trying it. I'm gonna drink this one after, but I'm gonna try it just because I put the water now. I'm gonna try it now just to see what the taste is like now. Okay. Just to see what the taste like now. Let me just try a little of it in this measuring cup. Now I need to add a bit more honey inside because I just put more water. Just give it a little more sweetness. Just shake it up. I just know the ginger was a bit overpowering the whole thing. So I have to just balance it up with the water and just a little more honey inside. Let me try and see what it tastes like now. They're much better. That's much better now. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge and then I will try again when it's cool to see what it tastes like. Alright guys, thanks for watching this little melon skin pomegranate ginger drink juice sweetened with honey. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and all the nice stuff, you know. Have a nice day, have a nice night wherever you're watching from in the world. Bye.